Hey y'all, Charlie here with Render Analytics. Today we're going to walk through how to use Google Ads to do keyword research. Specifically, we want to learn how to discover new keywords that we're not already targeting so that we can expand our campaign and hit potential customers we were not previously uh, attempting to acquire. So the first step that we're going to do here is when you're in your Google Ads campaign, you're going to click Tools and Settings, and then you're going to go to the far side and click Keyword Planner. That will take you to this screen where you're going to click Discover New Keywords. These other two tools are helpful as well, but today we're just going to be discussing Discover New Keywords. So let's say that we are a salon or spa business, for the sake of this example. Maybe there's some keywords that I already know I should target, right? Spa, massage, salon, something along those lines. Now, what I can do is use these keywords to identify other keywords that I'm not currently targeting and then expand my keyword list ultimately and prioritize high traffic keywords that are valuable, keywords that we can be competitive with, and build out a more effective Google Ads campaign. So I'm going to click Save Results here. Let it run. And you can see here we've got our keyword at the top, spa, massage, salon. And then what we can do here is, if we'd like, we can sort by average monthly searches. And we can see what kind of keywords are out there that we might be missing, right? So if I'm at this salon in this case, I might want to add a massage near me search, or hair salon near me. Maybe that's not relevant. So let's say we are actually a spa looking to expand. We can go ahead and click a keyword we want to add. We can click More, Add to Account, and then of course we can assign to an actual ads account. Alternatively, we could also add keywords to a negative keyword list if we're afraid that we're spending a lot of money on clicks of keywords that are not relevant to our business but are getting picked up by our campaigns anyway. So this can really go both ways. Things to note: you obviously have the 3-month change, the year-over-year change, competition level. These are all pieces of information that can be valuable when you're gathering your strategy. And then I think really important thing to note here is the top of page low and high range. So that's what you can expect to pay per click for these types of keywords. So if I want to go after massage near me, I should expect to pay somewhere between 98 cents and $3.01 per click. Now, one other cool thing we can do is we can also target specific areas. So if I was a spa in the state of Florida, I could change my data so that I'm only capturing Florida search results. So maybe something more specific to my market is relevant here. That just gives us a little bit more information. Maybe there's some local searches that we're not targeting that at the national scale, but that we want to be keywording for locally. And then you have that in your toolbox as well. So it's just a great place to kind of build your keyword list if you are starting from scratch and you don't know exactly what to target. This way you'll get a lot of high volume searches. You won't miss too much. And you'll get to understand where the market is, what kind of terms people are searching for, which is always helpful. Great, guys. Hope you learned something. If you'd like to learn more, reach out to us via renderanalytics.net. Until then, take care.